brand new today from Temp-tations, a collapsible 8-piece measuring cup and spoon set. How many of us have measuring cups all over our cupboard, or we can only find the quarter teaspoon and where the rest? This is so smart and so fantastic, and it's $18. 3 easy payments of $6. Look at these beautiful colors, starting right here with your confetti. We also have the floral lace blue. Here is the romance, so cute. And then your red doodle-doo. And yes, measuring cups and spoon set, but you're looking at them collapsed, which is a space saver and so cute.
It is absolutely so cute. And this was a huge customer request. I'm going to start with the romance. So here's what it looks like when you go to store it. Now, I don't know what your cabinet looks like, but I have the metal ones, and I have a whole drawer full of them. And then I have the glass ones that stack sort of inside of each other. The fact that I could have so much more space, because this is all I need, because you're going to start with your quarter cup, then you're going to get your third cup. This is all silicone, your half cup and your 1 cup. And the reason they're space saving is because they're silicone. So you just push them down to fill them. By the way, each one has a little pour spout on the side too. Look at the baby's pour spout. I love that. So if you have liquid in here, you're not just dumping it, right? You're pouring it. There's a big difference. They can all come off this little ring here at the top if you so choose. And then check out the adorable measuring spoons.
They're almost like little shovels, which I so appreciate, because you can sprinkle it or pour in a perfect way.
Because the problem with measuring spoons is the metal ones is they're round and they're flat and they fall off. So I'm going to turn it this way, you guys, so that you can see exactly what you're getting. So you're getting your quarter teaspoon, you're getting your half teaspoon, your 1 teaspoon, and your 1 tablespoon. That's kind of what you need.
No, that's what you need.
I mean, seriously.
I love these. These are so
And then, by the way,
adorable.
look at this. These all come down to this size right here. So when we talk about space saving, and then you just collapse down your silicone, you start to see how easy breezy this whole set is.
This is fantastic. Oh my goodness.
Shall we
this
use
is
it?
So cute. Yes, absolutely. Let's see.
Let's put it to the test.
I can tell you that the red doodle-doo is very popular right now.
Good
all
luck
of
in
the
the
pieces,
kitchen.
$18. Okay, so are these going to be in your guys' show later on today? All right, well, all 4 are available right now, so definitely pick one of these up.
So we actually had an egg right in here, so I love that you can break an egg right into here, because that makes it so easy, instead of like, do you know what I mean? So that there's no shells going anywhere. And then when I go to grab my spoons, I love how easy breezy this is.
So cute.
I can just add in whatever I need. So I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. Yes, these canisters are coming up later. Kind of everything you see on the table.
Oh, good. Great.
Is coming up later. But look at this. When you talked about you love the shape of it, I want to show you something. You can scrape.
Oh, nice.
Look at that. See how you get that great, perfect, you know, baking is a science.
Oh, it is.
You got to get it right.
You
know
have
what
to
I
be
mean?
very precise.
And then let's talk about the pouring aspect. Let's pour into this right here. Okay, because we talked about how you can use liquids or dry. And then look.
Okay, so the pouring spout makes so much sense, because honestly, like when you're baking and maybe you've got it in, like maybe if you're using like some kind of mix or something, you don't want to be pouring everything all at once. You have to do it in moderation. So this is so smart.
You get the idea, right?
Yes.
Come on over here and let's talk about really precise things like making your homemade vinaigrettes. It's so easy to do, right?
Yes.
But it's intimidating.
Right.
So I love the fact that I'm going to pour it into my big deal mug right here.
Okay.
So I have all my fresh herbs, my mise en place. I love this. It's a little scoop. It's a little shovel.
Truly.
I go right in, and
cute.
I love how I can level off, see exactly where I am. Look how sweet that is. You're going to put these right into the dishwasher, so they are just easy breezy. But it's kind of everything you need. So give yourself a kitchen refresh.
Oh, absolutely.
Right, a January refresh.
Definitely. Oh, these are so fun.
That's sweet.
That I've not seen a measuring spoon this shape before.
Yeah.
This just makes so much sense.
Cute this is.
Absolutely adorable.
And then again, I just want to show you, when you tuck them away, they come down to one size. You can't even see the other ones.
Yeah, no.
They tuck inside of each other.
So cute.
So cute, right?
Oh, I love that. You just said it, a kitchen refresh. I mean, how many of you probably have the same measuring spoons or the same measuring cups that you've had for so many years? Are the numbers scratched off a little bit? This might be the perfect opportunity for you to pick up the 8-piece for $18 or 3 easy payments of $6.
Yes.
Just like so, making the easy little vinaigrette.
Make a little vinaigrette, and I just love that. And you just pour it right on, and then you have that homemade goodness, which I just love. But look, these are kitchen essentials. Everybody needs them.
Absolutely.
It's refresh time.
Oh, it definitely is. And let's take you through all of the colors again so you can see them all. The red doodle do is the most popular right now. Everyone loves the doodle do.
Look how sweet. And I like how we did. Let's just talk about how we did the opposite. So we did the solid in the measuring cups with the red, and there's the rooster. And then in the measuring spoons, we did the white, just to give it a little bit of visual interest there. Look how sweet that is.
So good. Love that. I love the romance. This is so good. So is this a new print for us this year?
We've had romance. We just haven't had it in a lot of accessories.
I see.
So now we're bringing, you love romance. And by the way, you love it all year long.
Oh, definitely.
But look how sweet this is. And nothing shows love more than baking in the kitchen.
Oh, I could not agree with you more.
Absolutely adore this.
Definitely.
How about the blue floral lace? Isn't that so pretty?
I love that. It is. And I love the fact that we've got the dark inside each and every one of the little spoons too.
Nice big letters and wording here. Like you're not guessing what this is.
No.
You can clearly see 1 cup, a half a cup, a third a cup, and a quarter cup. So
Definitely.
all the sizes that you need.
And then of course the confetti, which is nice and bright and happy and cheery. And I love that you guys chose this color inside.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's so good.
And that looks great with the carved willow rose if you're looking to mix and match.
Right, definitely. All 8-piece collapsible measuring cup and spoon set, $18, 3 easy payments of $6. Lisa, thank you so much for joining us. It was so good to see you. Guys, absolutely pick this one up. So good.